Okay, so I got some really good tomatoes. Very simple. What I was thinking today is making a deconstructed avocado guacamole, which I used to do in my Tex-Mex restaurant that I had in Paris. Very, very super busy. I had one of the only Tex-Mex in France. It was really cool. All right. This is Ortiz, the guy I was telling you earlier. Okay. This is, look at this. Okay. It's a little pricey, yeah? Tuna. I buy those because in south of France, where we don't use avocado, but when we work with salad and tomato, we always put tuna. That's another option. So I'm going to cut the avocado. I already showed you how to do this. Basically this, the knife doesn't move anymore. Look, the knife doesn't move, right? Boom, boom. Look at that. Pretty. Now slowly, slowly, boom. Okay. Not touching the blade. All right. Next. So here we go. Let's do that. Let's peel. This is the easiest way to do. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now you can make super pretty. So let's start. I have a plate here. Just boom. However you want. You see what I mean? Like this is your stuff. So let's say I make for one person or two, right? Okay. Let's get one of those tomatoes. Super pretty right now. They are very, you can see the colors. That means they're going to be good. If they're not red, there's no flavor. Okay. So how to cut the last one? Look, I can do this. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, you need a sharp knife. Now clean up, clean up, boom. And I'm going to put my onions. Onions, really cool. Okay. Because it's super healthy. And I have cilantro. Instead of chopping the cilantro, I'm just going to put it in there, just like that. Because I'm going to put a bunch of olive oil. So I'm going to cut the bottom like this. Make something really cool like this. It's kind of easier. And my onion, show you. Beautiful red onion. So I'm going to go slow here because I really want to. So what do you want? If you want rings, you have to go like this. If I want slices, I want to go like this. So I'm going to make half rings. Half rings. Here we go. I'll show you. Keep the root. And we're going to cut it super thin. So take your time. Onion, super thin. So very small, very slow. Yes. Right. So I can do this. One more. Why thin? Because it's going to be way better. Now I'm going to show you how to put the olive oil on, right? Cool, huh? Look at that. That's a cool little, right? And here come the, also, of course, you can put more stuff and the tuna. So look at the olive oil now. All right. Whoa. More. Olive oil and avocado? Really? Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. If I eat that like this, what else can I do in there? I can put vinegar, balsamic. So balsamic, there you go. If you want, huh? Little your finger and look. Wow. So now you know exactly that's going to be really good. Look at that. It took 5, not even, I mean, I don't know how long, Lisa, but not long. And I have a very pretty stuff. And the reason why I was showing you tuna earlier or sardines is I can put that in there. I see, right? The other thing I can do, you see that guy? While Lisa is finishing up, I'm going to chop that another one. I'm going to make another one. I'm going to chop all this as a salsa, very, very small dice put together. And I'm going to fit that in there and I'm just going to eat that with a spoon. Okay. So this is the other version, right? You see? So you can see how pretty they are, right? You can just add tuna to it. Thank you,
Thank
people.
you.
Good job.